Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do the factory data reset in your device Iqoo 90. So if in this device, if you want to wipe up all the data, if you want to erase all the data and you want to hard reset or factory reset your device, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn about the factory data reset in your device. Let's watch it.